Hello everyone, and today's video is a review video in which I will review this Etude House silk scarf hair mask. I bought this hair mask around 2 years ago when I went to Shanghai, and I thought I'll do a review video, and I didn't do it. Definitely I'm a lazy person. Let's come to the point. So this mask is from Etude House, and according to the claims the mask does, it says it's a silk scarf double care hair mask which actually intend to make your hair softer. Okay, this hair mask contains two parts. One is the hair treatment, which is called one, and another one is the essence cap that after applying this part you have to use the essence cap. It's written in the hair mask, and according to them it is used for do-it-yourself oil treatment for pumped and colored hair, promotes healthy texture and shine. So according to the description, my hair, they are perfectly fall in the category to use this mask. But I believe this mask can be used for people those who have dry and rough hair, because according to it, it's a sort of treatment mask. So this is the texture of my hair. Your hair, they should be towel dry and washed and clean. Okay, so what I did, I washed my hair with a regular shampoo, and I didn't use any sort of any sort of conditioner. I didn't use it. My hair, they are, in the end you can see the some of the leftover of the bleached hair, and then you can see the common hair color that I got done, one color which was without bleach, and they are towel dry. And I have also done the hair straightening, the chemical process that you do from China. So I don't know, that's why my hair, they are looking so so straight. So first I have just did this way so I cannot waste any product, and then I will okay. Oh, so the texture is like a butter sort of. I never used this mask before, so it's my first time and I'm doing with you guys. I'm extracting out all the product so you can see my hair, they are not longer, so this will also give you idea how much product they have. And I'm sorry, I forgot the price. But it was not expensive. I remember it was like, I think 20 yuan or 30 yuan, I don't remember. But it was not expensive. That's what I remember. And another thing, even I bought it 2 years ago, you can see its expiry is quite long. It will expire in the month of, step 1 will expire this year in November, and step 2 will expire in October. So I bought it in 2018, and it's still it has the shelf life. So if you are lazy like me, like you keep the products, this mask is for you, definitely. Okay, this much product you will get from the step 1, and what you have to do, you have to apply the product from the root to the end. You can wear your old t-shirt or anything. I'm a very messy person. I showed in my last video. I'm not that sort of person who wear a shirt and do not get it dirty. So I have worn my bathrobe, but you can wear whatever you want, or put a towel. Okay, the fragrance is nice. I'm focusing more on the dead ends. And let me show you this side. From top, from my scalp. I really wonder if that mask is enough for people who have very long hair. I doubt that. Okay, so we are done. because I have very short hair. So according to the mask direction, after applying the step 1, it just went into my nails. Anyways, you have to do the directions. They are also written in this one too. Okay, so for step 2, cover hair with a step 2 essence coating hair mask and massage scalp. Leave for 10 to 15 minutes before removing cap and rinsing hair with warm water. So what I will do, I'll tie my hair with some sort of band, and let me find my hair band. So I have found my hair band, and then I will cut. Let me see if I can find some product more. Okay, let me cut the rest of the part. Oh, it's like a little pamper. Anyways, oh, that's a cap, and I think it's coated with something. Let me tie my hair. I'm not sure if I tie my hair how I will be able to massage. I have just tied, and I'm not sure which part is the right part. So one which is dry, it's for outer side, and the one which has some sort of, some sort of a smell. It's not fragrance, it's a smell. Not good one. Anyways, that's I think the part that you have to put it on your head, and then according to them you have to massage it in your scalp. I'm not sure how my rest of the hair they will work. Anyways, I have actually I did tie my hair very tight. Okay, I'm feeling they are getting some sort of wet. Leave this cap for around 15 minutes, and then you have to wash it with warm water. Okay, so here I am after washing my hair with the warm water, and then I did a blow dry, but I didn't use a brush, I just used the hot air. It's cold here, so I just have to do that process, and you can see the results. My hair, they are basically chemically straight, so the mask didn't play any role to make them straight. There is one thing I really want to make it clear. So I'm not sure if you have very wavy curly hair, so it will make them straight or not. But there's one thing, the hair, they are so soft. I can literally touch them, and I can feel the silkiness, and they're really, really soft. The good thing about this mask, you can see the dead ends. The one they are, in the end you can see with the bleach one, they are also so soft. So it's just like it has given them a life. Another good thing I noticed after using this, you can clearly visibly see my hair color. Somehow either it has softened the texture, so you can see my hair color which is there, and I think before that you cannot see it. I'm not sure, but I think there was a difference. I could clearly see. If we talk about the shine, I think I will let you decide either my hair they are shiny or not. But I think there is a shine in my hair. They haven't mentioned in their hair mask that how often you should use. But I think this hair mask could be used once in a week if you really want to use. And yes, it's worth trying hair mask. Like I didn't waste my money, that I could say. Because most of the time if you buy these treatment sort of masks, I'm always afraid, because somewhat they are expensive. And if they don't give you the results, it's very distressing, especially for me. And I think for everyone, that because you always repent why you have bought the hair product which didn't work for you. Mostly if a skincare product like for face, if it doesn't work for me I start applying it on my hands and my feet, and I just use the whole product. But if something doesn't work on my hair, so it means it's a waste. I cannot use it anywhere else. At least I don't know, maybe you can tell me, if the hair product is not working for you, what you can do if you don't have anybody whom you can give and say, try. When I was in China and I was with my friends in a hostel, what I was doing, if the product doesn't suit me, I simply used to give them. That was the easiest way, because everybody has different sort of hair or skin, and it works. The thing which is not working for you maybe works for other. But I'm glad this mask works really well. It actually didn't I can say I didn't waste my money, and the mask, if I bought it, it was worth the penny that I spent. But if I have to compare, there is another mask which I bought from Dubai. I will see down in my mobile phone. I think I have the picture of that mask. And trust me, the girl who was standing there, she told me you have to buy this company hair mask. They are really good. I bought their papaya mask and it was so cheap. It was like 2 dirham, I guess it was. And first I wanted to buy the hair mask which was like 8 dirham, and she suggested me the hair mask which was of 2 dirham. So I thought, oh my god, that's like the girl is suggesting me, the expensive product versus the cheaper one. It means the cheaper product must be good. So I used that mask, and I would say that mask was far better and has a less procedure than this one. And I didn't do it like 1 step and 2 step. I just applied it on my hair and I left it for like not more than 4 minutes. I left it. Even I thought I would leave it for around half hour at least. But that mask still worked for me, and it was really, really amazing. I think that hair mask was, if I have to buy the Etude one and that hair mask, I would go for that one. I will show you the picture of that hair mask. I would really, really recommend that hair product. Etude mask is also good, but I think if you don't have time, like it's a hair treatment, so it takes a lot of time. If you are in a hurry, you would like to use the 5-minute one. The reason I didn't use this mask for 2 years, I think the reason was that it was written the step 1 and the step 2, and I was like, oh my god, who is going to do that? So if it's my opinion, Etude mask is no doubt a good one. But if you ask me to do every week, I'm not going to do it. I'm not that a person who can wait that much. Like at first I have to wash my hair, then I have to come with my bathrobe, and then I have to put the step 1, step 2, and then I have to wait 20 minutes in my bathrobe, and then I have to go back. I have to again take the shower, and then I come and then I have to blow dry. It means 30 minutes I'm still taking the shower. So for me, it's a big no. For time consuming point, it's a big no. So like I can use this treatment like for once a month, I guess I would do it, but I will not do it in a weekly basis. If you're a busy mom, I don't think so. Or if you're busy working women or men, whatever, it's not going to work for you. That's my personal opinion. So if you like my videos, if you like my channel, comment below, subscribe. Bye bye.